Hello, I have this BLACK+DECKER hand vac, which I really liked because it has this flexible tubing. It started to die and it wouldn't hold a charge anymore though, and they're like $100 on Amazon. So I wanted to try to fix it. Get a view of the model number there. And so I tried to replace the batteries, but of course they're sealed. There's these special type of batteries here. Here's the old batteries, and this is the battery that I bought new. I have no idea if this new battery is going to work yet, but I also bought this from Amazon. It's a little spot welder to weld the connections to the battery. So here's, you can see what I did here. Basically took the connections that were on the circuit board and I welded the thin strip of nickel stripping to the original connection and then to the battery. So here's one side. Here's the other side. You can't really see where I welded it to the original stripping because it's on the back side there. But I tested all the connections to make sure they're strong. It was quite tricky because I've never used one of these before. You have to get the gear or the power to be correct, otherwise you'll just zap a hole through the nickel stripping, so you don't want it to be on max power. But we'll try turning it on now. So as you can see, it does work, but I haven't tested trying to charge it or anything yet, so I'm gonna put it back together and see if it will charge and work better than with the bad batteries.